Hey everyone, it's Merlin here with Savory Thoughts. In today's video, we are making vegetable lo mein. So let's get started. To begin, you want to start by using a mason jar, or you can use a large bowl. We're going to add in our soy sauce. Once you add in the soy sauce, you're adding in the sugar, followed by the ginger and half of this sesame oil. At this point, you want to whisk it all together just to make sure that all of the ingredients are well combined. Next, we are chopping our garlic. Remove the garlic and set it aside. And we are also chopping our carrots. You can use any carrots you'd like, but it's best to use carrots that are cut into what we call bâtons or sticks. Be sure that when you are cutting your carrots, you carefully cut them into even-sized pieces. Next, take your carrots and place it on a bowl or plate with the remaining vegetables. You will see that we are using peas as well as mushrooms. Next, we are chopping our sweet peppers. You can use any kind of pepper you like. However, this is the one that we have on hand, and we are removing the seeds just to reduce the heat level. Try your best to cut your peppers into the same size. That way it's easier for when all the vegetables are being cooked, everything is cooked together all at once. In a large wok, be sure to add your sesame oil, followed by your vegetables. Give it a quick stir. Cover and let the vegetables cook. This process may take 10 to 15 minutes depending on the vegetables that you are using. Continue to stir in between so that way the vegetables do not stick to the bottom of the pan. Cover and continue to cook until they are soft and fork through. If your vegetables happen to turn colors from green to a darker green, that's perfectly fine. Add in your garlic, stir, and allow the garlic to cook. Next, we are adding in the noodles. For this vegetable lo mein recipe, we are using ramen noodles. However, you can use lo mein noodles found at the local grocery store. Once you add in your noodles, pour in the mixture that we previously prepared. Add in your bell peppers or your sweet peppers. Give it a quick stir just to make sure that all of the ingredients are well combined. At this point, you are about 90% done with your meal. Continue to stir to make sure that all of the ingredients are well incorporated. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Take it aside. Feel free to add extra sesame seeds. We like to use black sesame seeds. And now your dish is ready for you to enjoy. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, we definitely would love to hear from you. We definitely would love to hear what other vegetables you like to pair with your vegetable lo mein. Please leave us a comment in the comment box below, and we will provide you with a link to the full recipe. See you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We post videos weekly.